Hey guys, what's up? Master Magician over here. Today I'm going to teach you how to find area of a right angle triangle. So over here I have a rectangle that is ABCD. We know that area of rectangle equals to length into breadth. That is, we have x into y. That is, area of rectangle ABCD is xy. Now for area of triangle ABC, we have triangle ABC, that is a right angle triangle at B. Over here we know that how the area of rectangle ABCD would be xy, and line AC bisects the rectangle into two equal right angles. So the area of triangle ABC would be 1 by 2 into L into B, that is length into breadth into half. Now instead of L and B we'll put X and Y, so 1/2 in X Y. So this is the formula for a triangle. Over here in this triangle I have taken X equals to 8 centimeters and Y equals to 6 centimeters. So the area of rectangle ABC would be 1 by 2 into 8 into 6. So that is, 8 would get cancelled out with 2, so it would be 4, and we'll get 4 into 6, that is 24 centimeter square. That's it for the video guys. I hope you like and enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.